Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. Teacher Shane has 5 sentence patterns that I'm going to teach you right now. So, are you guys ready to learn? Alright, that's good to know. So let's get started right now. Here we go. The first sentence pattern is boots. What can you wear when it is snowing? I can wear boots. Yes, you can. All right. The next sentence pattern is shoes. What is he wearing? He is wearing shoes. Great job. Okay, the next sentence pattern is slippers. What can you wear to the beach? I can wear slippers. All right. You guys are really good. The next sentence pattern is high heels. What is your mother wearing? She is wearing high heels. All right. The next sentence pattern is sneakers. Do you want to wear your sneakers at the park? Yes, I want to wear my sneakers at the park. All right, great job everyone. We just learned our 5 new sentence patterns. Yeah, you guys did a great job. I want to say this to you because you are practicing with Teacher Shane. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.